How can we change currency in Google Spreadsheet? So let's first select all of those numbers and move the data type to currency rounded. Alright, as you can see, by default we got a dollar sign in front. How can we change that? Let's go back to data type menu and scroll a bit lower to see custom currency option. From here you can select any currency you need and click apply. As you can see, the format of the number is changed. Now I got a different currency symbol. And if you want to keep it rounded like before, simply use the decrease decimal place arrow like that. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.